working in the garage and you got your jams like AC/DC playing, and your significant other comes out and tells you to turn it down, or well, back in the day we used to have what was called a Walkman, where you'd have a cassette player or a CD player with headphones on, and you'd go about your business fuddling about. But you know, if you have a significant other, they're going to talk to you, so you can't have headphones on. So rather than have them arguing when you walk away, instead of turning up the music, you're going to come over here and I give you the Rollman. The Rollman is my little MP3 player that I control from the Wi-Fi. And when I get done fiddling over there on the booze counter or in the car wash, I want to come over and clean the fridge. I'm just going to hit a little magic button, tell it to go. There we go. He starts rolling. If he's not moving fast enough, I make him go faster. But I better make him stop before he crashes. And it's all controlled through the internet. And I can make him go backwards at that same speed. I can make him go left and right, but it's not working too well, but we'll give it a go. But I hit the left button, look how quick it is. Boom! And he's doing spins, most like most Ford trucks. Anyway, let me get it back over into position. Boom! And how does that all work? Well, let me turn this off real quick, and I'll get up in close distance. It's running. Oops, sorry about that. It's running off a. Can you see that all right, Addie?
Yep.
All right, so this is a 3.7 volt battery that is going to run this chipset. So this is the ESP Wi-Fi chipset that Adafruit puts on a feather called the Huzzah. And then I have another feather that controls DC motors, and then my MP3 player, which has 8 gigs worth of storage of music. So I have plenty of tunes. And then I have just two 3-watt speakers that my daughter, Addie, S3, that's me, Staff Sergeant Shively, former. Anyway, and it runs off of 2 AA batteries to run the DC motors. But it's really light and compact, as you can see. And it's a heck of a lot easier to build one of these than to have to keep turning down my music, and wherever I go, my music will play with me. Mm-hmm. So anyway, kind of cool to be rocking with the Rollman. What do you think, Daddy?
I think it's pretty cool and pretty smart.
Yeah, I built it in less than 3 hours, so, and code took me about 2, but anyway, it was fun. So I'll put it on my website.